Hey, welcome everybody. Mr. On Demand, man with master plan. And my master plan today is to help you with an upgrade issue. Did you know Netflix is cutting support for older Fire TV devices? Yeah. And that's not the half of it. So Netflix is cutting off old Fire TV devices in a few days. Well, by the time you've watched this video, they probably already have cut it off. Netflix is ending support for 3 first-generation Fire TV streaming devices, the Fire TV and the Fire TV Stick from the Fire TV Stick with the Alexa voice remote from 2016. The company said in an email to its affected users. Netflix didn't offer an explanation for this, but it's most likely because these devices can't properly support modern video and audio formats, especially in higher tier plans. We reached out to Netflix, but they didn't hear back. So if you don't know what's going on with Amazon, also Amazon is doing a lot of switches on their devices, right? So today, a lot of the new Amazon devices coming out in the future won't be supporting the same kind of OS that they've been running today. And just for the sheer fact that Amazon pushes a lot of advertisements on their devices should make you want to look at another option. One option is to get a Google TV or Android TV OS type of device instead of going with an Amazon Fire Stick or Fire TV device. I think they're a way better option. I'm not making any money telling you this. All I'm doing is trying to give you the best advice I can so that I can go ahead and help you, get a good experience streaming. These devices, this particular one is brand new and just came out at Walmart. It's a 16 gig ONN 4K plus device. And they do have a Pro device that's 32 gig as well. And you can just go right to Walmart and purchase one of those. That's just one option. A lot of options out there. So I'm not trying to push you into one particular option. Just any Google TV or Android TV type of device, I think, is the best option to go with in this particular situation. So the first generation Fire TV devices launched a decade ago. They're like 10 years old. They're old at this point. So your best bet is to look for an upgrade. But I really recommend you look for something besides Amazon. That's my personal recommendation, and I'm sticking to it. It's still a frustrating experience to hang on to for users who are hanging on to those older devices. You're either forced to upgrade or give up Netflix. I don't watch Netflix. I don't have Netflix. So I understand if you don't care that Netflix is ending support on these devices, that's absolutely fine too. I'm just trying to report to you what's going on in the industry so you know and you can try to make a educated decision for yourself and make a good one so that you have a good time streaming and watching all of your TV that we all love to do as a pastime. So I'll see you guys in the next video. This is Mr. On Demand. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.